stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time
Alright, how you doing, guys? I'm in the Kuta, just next to the Hard Rock. I wanna go to the Kuta beach and see how's the situation over here today. And it's definitely much more busier than I was last time. However, it's still kinda quiet, as you can expect, as there's no international flights and everything. However, at least Hard Rock is open.
Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince.
I think I will move more into the beach walk area.
There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time
beach walk area and the beach walk park here over there, as you can see, is full, very busy. So officially I can say Kuta is busy now, or Kuta is full of people now. Oh, that's cool. That's I'm happy to see if Kuta is full of people instead this Kuta is empty, because that's how it's supposed to be, right?
Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why?
So that's the very interesting thing. People asking me often, sorry, was something on the spot. People asking me often, do you need a mask if you're going to the beach in Bali? Yeah, basically a lot of army, a lot of police, a lot of pechalang before entrance, so better not to risk.
So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. Give me somebody, give me somebody, somebody to love.
About the masks, yeah, if you are walking on the streets, in the malls, in the public areas, it's mandatory. You have to wear the mask, and it's no excuse, like no seatbelt, no excuse in Europe. However, on the beach, if you enter to the beach, it's a lot of army, police, pechalang. They asking you to put the mask on. However, if you walk on the beach right now, I had the mask previously, I took off because there's completely nobody around me. So yeah, but yeah, many people asking me how is the situation about, especially about the masks. Yeah, mandatory is you have to wear almost everywhere you drive a bike. For some reason, if you are alone in the car, you also have to have a mask. I can't personally understand this, but that's how it is. That's the biggest difference between the... It's not only in Bali or Indonesia, it's all Southeast Asia like that. is completely different in Europe. Sweden, for example, never had the masks. They never wear the mask. They never have a lockdown actually. But New Zealand now is free of the current situation thing. Sorry, I cannot say, but you know what is it? Australia, a lot of people watching me from Australia, so bad, closed till end of the year or maybe even till July 2021. Polish people where I'm coming from, they're coming for holidays to Greece, Turkey, Spain, Portugal without quarantine, without the tests. I had a friend who was flying just a few days ago and he just said as in the planes it's as usual, normal thing, nothing is changed. In Europe, of course. Of course you have to have mask, but even if you take off mask inside the plane, nobody gonna say anything to you, no tests and no quarantines. However, if I wanna go now to Jakarta or from Jakarta to Bali, you have to have a test. And this is in the same country. So that's really a big difference, and of course the difference is by the region. Asia and Oceania is completely different than in Europe. We not talk about the United States, they are completely different everything. Good thing about the Kuta beach is as the surfers are here and here. It's more surfers here in Kuta than in the Uluwatu where I was last time. That's good. The one thing what is different now than before, what I just noticed now, that's my personal thoughts, is that as before, if you was in Kuta beach, in this area, of course was so many people and things what they would like to sell you, but anyway generally they would like to talk with you, asking you where are you from and stuff like that. However, now nobody would like to talk with you. It's so quiet, and I don't know, maybe the people are afraid or they're keeping the social distancing, which is by government is good idea. However, the atmosphere is a little bit different than before, I have to say. Of course, one more thing is as not many white people like me left in Bali right now. Sanur is the most busy area, but there's so many expats people, retired people living in the Sanur area. But however, I think it's around 2,000 people left in Bali right now from the more than 1 million what's supposed to be at this time. So yeah, that's how it is.
And drunk at night, in LA picking fights. I think we have done it all. She knows me in and out, love of a different kind, but we still have no control. Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends. Baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers on the weekend. On the weekend. No, we don't like to talk, we're not so good for words. That's why we don't get that far. But she still reads
sunset. I think will be beautiful sunset, so time lapse like always. And I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed. Like always, thank you so much for watching. I hope so you like it again. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to put the bell on so you will get the notification. New vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali time. See you tomorrow, guys.
Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends. Baby, good